a trip to the United States for leisure, family visits, or sightseeing. One of the most crucial steps in submitting U.S. visa application process is completing the DS-160 form. Whether you are applying U.S. tourist visa from Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or elsewhere in the UAE, this form is your gateway to getting a US B1 B2 tourist visa. Understanding detailed information for DS-160 form for UAE residents is crucial. In this guide, we will explain everything you need to know about filing the DS-160 form, how to fill it out correctly, and why getting help from a visa consultant in the UAE can avoid errors and make the process smoother. What is the DS-160 form? The DS-160 form is an online, non-immigrant visa application form used by individuals applying for a temporary visa to the United States, including the B1 B2 visitor visa. It is submitted electronically through the Consular Electronic Application Center, CEAC, and is a mandatory step for all non-immigrant visa categories. Why is the DS-160 form important? Primary application document. It is the foundation of your visa application. All the details you provide here will be reviewed during your visa interview. Screening tool. U.S. embassies and consulates use the information to screen applicants and assess their eligibility. Required for appointment. You cannot book your visa appointment without the confirmation number from the DS-160 form. Information required for filing DS-160 form from UAE. Filling out the DS-160 form for U.S. visa requires the following details. Personal information. Name, address, date of birth, nationality, passport details. Travel plans. Purpose of travel, intended travel date. Address where you will stay in the U.S. Travel history. Past U.S. travel, previous visas issued or denied. Family details. Information about your parents, spouse, and children, if applicable. Employment/education. Details about your current and previous jobs. Educational background. Security and background info. Questions related to criminal records, immigration violations, and health. How to fill the DS-160 form. Visit the SC website. Note your application ID. Fill in sections carefully. Upload a recent photograph. Review and confirm. Submit and print confirmation. Tips on filling DS-160 form for UAE residents. Use a stable internet connection. The form can time out after inactivity. Write down your security questions and ID. You'll need them to retrieve or resume your application. Be honest. Inconsistencies can lead to visa denials. Use English. All answers must be in English except for names. Don't rush. It can take 60 to 90 minutes to complete properly. Why get help from a visa consultant in the UAE? Hiring a U.S. visa consultant in the UAE can save you time, stress, and potential errors. Here's why. Expertise. Professionals understand the nuances of the application process. Error-free filing. Avoid mistakes that could delay or affect your visa outcome. Document verification. Ensure all required documents are accurate and complete. Appointment booking support. Consultants can help you secure appointments at the U.S. Embassy or consulate. Preparation for interview. Many offer mock interviews to help you prepare. The DS-160 form U.S. visa application process is detailed and can be overwhelming, especially for first-time applicants from the UAE. Getting professional guidance can be invaluable. If you are planning to get a U.S. visit visa from the UAE, ensure your DS-160 form filing is done correctly to increase your chances of visa approval. Getting help from a visa expert will help you get a U.S. visa on time and without any rejection, as they know every detail of the visa application. For seamless support, reach out to TravNook's expert visa consultant in the UAE and take the stress out of your U.S. travel planning.